कुछ कन्फ्यूजन हमने पार्ट 1 में क्लियर की, बाकी हम क्लियर करेंगे पार्ट 2 में. इसमें मैंने कुछ और ट्रिकी वर्ड्स को सिंप्लीफाई करने की कोशिश की है. द फर्स्ट इज मॉरल वर्सेस मोरल. Moral is concerned with what is right or wrong, something that teaches you a lesson. For example, the moral of the story is that honesty wins. Whereas morale means how happy, sad, confident a group of people feel at a particular time. For example, the morale of the team was low before the match. Next is censor versus censure. Censor means to remove certain parts of a movie or a book which might offend people. Whereas censure means to officially or formally criticize someone, or maybe tell them in a formal way that they have made a mistake. For example, the officer was censured for not disclosing the information earlier. Next is intimate versus intimidate. Intimate का मतलब होता है something close, private or personal. इसको एक और तरीके से यूज करते हैं. Intimate is also used when you are suggesting something is true without directly saying it. For example, he intimated me that he had thought about getting married to her. Next is prescribe versus proscribe. Prescribe means to recommend something. For example, doctor prescribes medicines. Proscribe means that something has been banned. किसी चीज की बंदी हो गई है. For example, the cigarette has been proscribed from the office. Next is tortuous versus torturous. Tortuous means something is full of bends and twists, जिसको कहते हैं कि बहुत twist and turn वाला रोड था. For example, the road to the hills was tortuous. Whereas torturous means something is full of pain and suffering. For example, the exam result was torturous. Next is ingenious versus ingenuous. Ingenious का मतलब होता है something is very clever or smart. For example, the idea that you gave was ingenious. Whereas ingenuous means that something is innocent or naive. कोई चीज़ बहुत ही ज़्यादा मासूम है. For example, she gave an ingenuous smile. Last is illegible versus illegal. Illegible का मतलब होता है जो चीज़ पढ़ा ना जा सके. Something is difficult to read. For example, your handwriting is quite illegible. Whereas illegal is something that is not legal. So if this helped clear some confusion, please hit the follow button because English just got easier with English Unplugged.